Morning, my dear students. Welcome to the video class. Last class we have discussed chapter 3 linear equations in one variable. In that exercise 3.1, in that last problem 12th one. Take down again. Last problem 12th one, exercise 3.1. In that last problem, what they are given 12th one. Here x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. Here find the value of x. Okay, here they are given some equation like you have to find here value of x. You take down x by 3 is equal to 7 by 15 plus 1 should be minus 1. Okay, x by 3 is equal to, here minus 1, it will be 1 by 1. Take here, do cross multiplication. 7 minus 15 by 15 ones are 15. Here cross multiply, 7 ones are 7, 15 ones are 15. Minus is there, minus 15 ones are 15. Next, x by 3 as it is, you should write 7 minus 15. A bigger number and smaller number. You will get 15 minus 7 will be minus 8 by 15. Here, up to this I gave last class, but here x by 3 is there. X by 3 value is minus 8 by 15. I need here x value means you should write x is equal to minus 8 by 15 into 3. Here 1 by 3. X by 3 means you should 1 by 3. It is above. You have to cancel here. 3 ones are 3 5s are 15. What is the value of x? Minus 8 by 5. Understood? Now it is the x value minus 8 by 5. Here we need x value. Okay. Next, in this class, here some applications means given some example puzzle like and age calculation. Here, if a present age like that, they are given in word problems. Okay, you have to see exercise 3.2 will solve. Here they are given word problems. In that word problem, make it equation and solve that equation. Okay. Now take down first one. Exercise 3.2. In that first one, if you subtract 1 by 2, subtract means what here? Minus 1 by 2 from a number. We don't know which number. We have to find. Okay. Here which number we don't know, but subtract by 1 by 2 and multiply the result by 1 by that. Whatever you are getting, multiply 1 by 2. You get 1 by 8 means is equal to 1 by 8. You should write what is the number here. Which is the number? Which number you have to take, like that. You make it, that number should be x. We don't know. Assume that. Okay. Take down exercise 3.2. First one. Exercise 3.2. In that first one, subtract the number. Which number we don't know. Let the number b is equal to x. Here no dot means should be number. You should write the number. Then the number b x. Here then what they said, subtract 1 by 2 from that number. Subtract how much? 1 by 2 and multiply how much? 1 by 2. Like that you have to take the numbers according to the question. What is there? According to the question, that number is subtracted by 1 by 2. That's why I am writing x minus 1 by 2. And multiply 1 by 2. That's why I am writing here into 1 by 2. And the result how much? 1 by 8. That's why I am taking here is equal to 1 by 8. Okay. Here say that number is subtracted by 1 by 2 and multiply by 1 by 2. You will get result 1 by 8. Now you have to solve here x value. Here see what is there. X minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 multiply. Multiply means x by 2 minus 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4 is equal to 1 by 8. Now x by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Here minus 1 by 4 I am taking, equal to means you have to plus 1 by 4. Now see 1 by 8, 1 by 4. If 4 is multiplied by 2 means you will get x by 2 is equal to, it should be 1 plus 2 by, here 1, 2 ones are 2 by, here denominator will be same, means 8. Okay, x by 2 means here 3 by 8. Now I need here x value means I said already if divide is there means should be into means 3 by 8 into 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. You will get x value 3 by 4. Here is the value. That number should be here how much? 3 by 4. Let the number you have to find here number. Which number is subtracted means what is the number? Number is how much? Number is 3 by 4. Last sentence add on. Number is 3 by 4. Okay, understood what is there here? Just we have to assume that number be x and according to the question subtract half and multiply 1 by 2 and you will get result 1 by 8. If you are doing common calculation means you will get x value 3 by 4. What is x? X is number. Okay, take second one. What is there? The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool. Here perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, perimeter of a rectangle formula 2 length plus 2 breadth. Okay, or 2 into L plus B is 124 meter. Total perimeter of a rectangle they are given 124 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Means length will be 2 more than means breadth will be we don't know here. Breadth how much we don't know. Means you have to keep breadth will be x. Assume breadth will be x. The twice will be length means 2x plus 2. What are the length and breadth of the pool? You have to find here length and breadth. Write down second one. Let second one, let perimeter of a rectangle rectangular pool. How much is there? 154 meter. Here whatever meter or centimeter whatever they are given you have to write. Let perimeter and breadth. We don't know breadth, that's why you have to keep x. Okay, what about length? Length what they said twice of its breadth. Okay, twice of its breadth means 2x plus 2. Okay, you know already formula, perimeter formula what? Perimeter is equal to 2 length plus breadth. L plus B. L means length, B means breadth. You have to substitute whatever is their length and breadth. 2 into length will be 2x plus 2 and breadth will be x. Now what is there? 2x plus 2 will be 3x plus 2x into plus x, 3x remaining 2. Here multiply that equation. What we are getting? Here perimeter is equal to 2 3s are 6x plus 2 2s are 4. Perimeter will be 6x plus 4. Means is equal to, you should write perimeter total how much given? 124. You take down here 124. Okay, here 154. Here 6x is equal to 154 minus plus 4 will be minus 4. 6x is equal to 150. You will get x is equal to 150 by 6. 150 by x, or you can take, you will get here how much? 77, 25, 25 means 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30. X is equal to how much? 25. Means it is a meter or centimeter. Here whatever is given meter or centimeter means like that you should take. Meter means you should write meter. If they given centimeter means you should write the centimeter. First listen here. Perimeter of the rectangular pool how much they are given? 154 meter. Breadth we don't know. They have kept x and length will be twice of its breadth. That's why 2x plus 2. And perimeter, what is the formula? Perimeter 2 length plus breadth. So how much? How much perimeter? What they are given? Perimeter 154. I am written. And 2 length we substituted 2x plus 2 and breadth means x is equal to 154. Now here 2x plus x 3x plus 2 is equal to 154. Here I solve divide directly doing also you will get, but I am multiplied 2 3s are 6x, 2 2s are 4. 150 by 6, 6 2s are 12. You will get 36 by 30. X value should be 25 meter. Means here breadth is the 25 meter. Write down breadth is equal to, breadth means what? X. Yes or no? Breadth is equal to x is equal to 25 meter. What about length? Length what is there? 2x plus 2. You have to add 2x. How much? 25 plus 2. 25 2s are, you will get 50 plus 2. What is the value? 52 meter. Breadth will be 25 meter and length will be 52 meter. If you both multiply means you will get perimeter how much? 154 meter. Okay, I think understood the second one. Now take down third one. The base of isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 into 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? Here equal sides they are given. Means you have to take two sides will be equal. Okay, take down third one. Take down third one. Base of the isosceles triangle. Third one, let base of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means what? Two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle will be how much they are given? 4 by 3 centimeter. Next, perimeter of a triangle. How much perimeter of triangle? 4 into 2 by 15. I will increase the mixed fraction, convert improper. Means 15 4s are 16. 62 by 15. Okay, now I am converted mixed fraction will be improper. Next, length of the, let the length of equal sides of isosceles will be x. I am taking. Why? Because we don't know isosceles triangle. That's why I am taken x here. Isosceles means you know already two sides are equal. If two sides are equal, is then it should be isosceles. Okay. What I instead of according to the question. What is there according to the question? What they said? 4 by 3 plus x. Here two sides are equal. That's why I am taken x plus x is equal to 62 by 15. For what they are given? Perimeter 62 by 15. Now common multiplication, 4 by 3 plus x will be 2x is equal to 62 by 15. Okay, now you have to take aside here. Find the value of x here. Means here 62 by 15 is there. I need here 2x is equal to 62 by 15 minus what is there here? 4 by 3. Here see denominator will be 15 and 3 is there. I need here same. That's why I am taking here. Here how much multiplied means 15 you will get. Means 62 by 15 as it is, write down minus 3 5s are 15. Yes or no? Means denominator will be same. You are getting 4 5s are 20. Next, what is there? If denominator will be same is add or subtract the numbers. Here subtract is there. Means 62 minus 20 how much? 42 divided by 15. Here x is equal to, if you are cancelling means directly do, otherwise write down 42 by 15 into, here see if divide is there means into, here divide not have means it will be 1 by 2. Means x value how much? X is equal to 42 1s are 42 divided by 15 2s are 30. Means x value 42 by 30. Here 42 by 30 if reducing form is there means you have to reduce. 5 6 are 40, 2 I need, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are and 2 1s are 2 5s are. Here 15 is there, 21 is there. Again cancelling again means x is equal to 21 by 15. 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. Value x value should be 7 by 5. Here what they said 7 by, it is in the form centimeter. You should write centimeter. If they are given meter means should write meter, centimeter means centimeter you should write. Here length of the either of the remaining equal sides are 7 by 5. Isosceles means both will be same. That's why you have to take here 7 by 5 centimeter is the isosceles triangle. I think all of you understand these three problems. And next fourth one I will discuss next class. Okay, today's homework you should write what you mean by equilateral, isosceles and scale and triangle definition. You should write 2 times. Okay, thank you.